Certainly Mombasa shall be, and in fact, let me tell you, we are the only county that can have these facilities in all our sub-counties. And in fact, we're going to have 11 aside and 7 aside in different areas. Our plan is to have 30 of those, and basketball courts and Olympic-sized swimming pool, so that we can nurture this talent and allow exposure, so that when people come to scout from other places, from international players, can easily go to a place where it won't be hard for them to identify and pick talent.
Nimelia miaka 10. Mwokozi wangu Bwana Mungu na Hassan Joho Governor. Jameni. Kisha si tu nalia ground nimetengeza mpaka nasikia raha ndugu yangu. Nalia mimi usiku nikikaa namuona Joho huyu tu. Namuona Joho huyu. Wallahi tena. Namuona Joho huyu.